Here I have Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to change icons shape on this device. So to change your icon shape, you have to download this app X Icon Changer from the Play Store first. Then you have to select icon which you want to change, for example bus simulator. Here you have different themes and different icons to which you can change it. You can also upload your own photo, but I'll just select one of these ones maybe. Then tap OK. Then tap Add Automatically, and now you can find this icon here. As you can see, it opens Bus Simulator game. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.